read it. Not there. Let's open this. So this is my sleeping dress. Oversized. Very felt comfortable, guys. But what I don't like is this one, because when I wash it, I don't like this. I didn't know that it's what do you call this? It's like a sparkle sequins, or like a diamonds, little diamonds in there. Victoria's Secret. I didn't realize that. But here we go. My sleeping thing. Dress. I like it oversized. And this one is from the Pink, but still, you know, sister company of Victoria's Secret. And here you go again. Another sparkle. It's like I cannot wash it. See the sparkle all over, and then it's gonna go in the washer. I have to put this in the bag. This is oversized. I like the color gray. And his pink athlete. No, athletics. I don't know what is that, but sports. Just comment below what its P means. Okay, so I like this oversized dress for sleep. Okay, that's all for now. I can share.